Welcome to Dream Home Talk. Today, we're exploring some of the most exciting interior design trends of 2025. If you're looking to refresh your home, these trends will give you inspiration and style. Let's dive in. Cozy minimalism. The era of stark minimalism is evolving. In 2025, it's all about blending simplicity with warmth, which is where high-quality, cozy furniture pieces come in. Imagine luxurious seating that's inviting and elegant. With cozy minimalism, you're creating a calm, uncluttered space that still feels warm and welcoming. A place where every item serves a purpose, but also brings comfort. Sustainable low-maintenance rugs. As sustainable living continues to rise, low-maintenance and eco-friendly rugs are becoming a staple. Think of rugs that don't just look beautiful, but are also easy to wash and keep fresh. The idea is to have sustainable, stylish pieces that last and don't require much effort to maintain. They're perfect for creating a cozy, stylish base for any room. Statement walls with modern panels. Accent walls are back, but this time with a sleek, modern twist. Panel art and unique wall coverings are a big trend for 2025. Helping you bring personality and texture into any space. These panels are an easy way to create a statement wall that captures attention and sets the tone for the entire room, adding depth and sophistication without overwhelming the design. Luxurious textures in carpets, flooring, and window coverings. In 2025, richly textured carpets, layered flooring, and elegant window coverings are essential for a luxurious feel. Think high-quality carpets, natural stone or wood flooring, and soft drapes or woven blinds that add warmth, depth, and character. Together, these elements create a cozy, inviting space that feels as comfortable as it looks stylish. Health-focused design is here to stay, and a quality air purifier has become a staple. For 2025, we're seeing air purifiers that blend into home aesthetics while creating a fresher, healthier environment. Clean air isn't just practical. It's essential for wellness and contributes to the feeling of a complete sanctuary. These 2025 trends are all about creating a stylish, balanced, and livable space. Whether you're looking to make a big change or small updates, these essentials can bring a fresh look to your home. Thanks for watching Dream Home Talk, and stay tuned for more inspiration to help you create the home of your dreams.